good. How was your long holiday, long weekend? Where did you go?
Bangkok.
You went to Bangkok? Did you have a good time?
Very.
Yeah. Where about in Bangkok? Where about in Bangkok did you go? Did you go to Central World? There's a big, what is it? Big Christmas trees goes on over there.
Yes.
OMC.
Okay. So did you do the assignment in the Google Classroom?
No.
Here. Remember?
No.
Yes.
Okay, today I'd like to answer it, and I would like to give you guys one more chance. If those who haven't done it yet, well, please study it from this class and then go finish it, okay? The first one, like. Do you still remember like? With, let me jot down your memory a little bit. How we use like or likes, right? With like, the subject is I, you, we, they, right? And likes, what do we use?
It.
He, she, or it, right? And when it comes to the negative form, what is it? I don't like homework. Right? He likes homework. But if you want to make it in a negative form, what do you say? She
She doesn't like homework.
but she doesn't like homework. Do I have to add the S here? Will there be S here? When it comes to the negative form, do they have the S here? You remember? No S, right? When it comes to the negative form, no S. She doesn't like homework, and so on. Here, these are the structures of like and doesn't like. So this one, whoops, this one. Number one, they, what?
They don't like golf.
Yeah, they don't like golf. Because it's a negative form, you have to use verb to do. Number two, what fruit?
Like.
What fruit does he like?
He likes TV.
Number three, the children usually
Like watching cartoon.
like, okay, because children is more than one. That's equally they. So they using like, right? The children usually like watching cartoon. Number four, look at her face. What is it? She
He likes chocolate.
Good. She likes chocolate.
like
จำได้เลยแต่ละต่างไปแล้วก็คือ
David doesn't like milk.
Right. Look at his face. He kind of sort of cover his nose, right, and say no to it. So David, the boy, it's a third person. It's he. So doesn't like milk. Number 6. They
They like playing in the park.
look at their face. So happy, right? They like playing the park. Number 7. Look at his face.
Does Adam like Spanish? No, he doesn't.
Good. Does Adam like spinach? No, he doesn't. Good. And next one, we were learning about the conversation in the restaurant, right? Remember the restaurant? I don't know how to make this Google form to, have its like, one line by line. I cannot do that. So please bear with me. A, what should, oh my God, looks so confusing. I cannot do as a line by line. I try to click on the enter, but it doesn't give me another line. So can you guess what is it? It says, yes, please. And then the next one is say, what flavor do you want? Chocolate or vanilla? So what do you say?
Would you like some ice cream?
Would you like some ice cream? You cannot say, would you like some chocolate? Because this one is asking for a flavor, given the choice for you to choose. So you just have to ask some ice cream first. If you say, would you like some chocolate? It doesn't make any sense, right? Because chocolate doesn't have a vanilla flavor. 9. Mr. Stone has just sat down at the table and is looking at the menu. The waiter say, what should the waiter say?
Would you like to order, sir?
Yeah, would you like to order, sir? Right? The waiter cannot say to Mr. Stone that, may I see the menu, or can I order for you now? Because, the patron's supposed to order it themselves, right? And do you want something to eat? That's for your buddy. You just talk to your friends, like, do you want something to eat? Just to your friends. But if you say that to the customer, that's kind of rude.
Rude.
Let's say that. Okay, number 10. The situation is you go to a restaurant with your American friends. What would you say if you want to recommend him the special dish of that restaurant?
Would you like to try spicy soup with prawn?
Good. Would you like to try spicy soup with prawn? Prawn is a big shrimp, okay? It's like shrimp, prawn, and then lobster, right? If I remember it correctly. So there we go. Please, please, please don't forget to do your Google form. I will check it today and I will see who's done it, who hasn't done it, okay? Then, here I just like to add a little bit of this here. Unit 6, lesson 3. This one is Mrs. Mitch's world famous pie. Okay, let's take out your class book. Where's the class book?
Okay.
Sorry, I have to find my class book. Okay. What page is it? Page 48. Okay. Page, right. So the vocabularies for these story is not that bad. Everyone, let's turn to page 47 first. What is the questions that the team supposed to find out?
How much does a chicken pie weigh at Midget's
Restaurant, right? Yes. So that's what you have to find out. How much does a chicken pie weigh at a midget's restaurant? Okay. Now let's hear the story.
Mrs. Midge's world-famous pies.
Where is Midge's restaurant? Here it is. Let's go in.
At the restaurant.
Excuse me, are you Mrs. Midge?
Yes, I am. Can I help you?
Yes, please. We need to answer a question. How much does a chicken pie weigh at Midge's restaurant?
Oh, I don't know. I haven't got any pies left. But I'm going to make one now. You can help me.
Ah.
In the kitchen.
Here's the recipe, and here are the ingredients.
Flour, carrots, chicken. Oh, we haven't got enough onions.
Yes, we have. There are lots of onions. Look on the wall.
Oh.
What is that? There you go.
Oh, stop, Rav. You've got too much flour. Oops.
45 minutes later.
We finished. Let's put it in the oven.
And now it's time to tidy up.
Oh.
Half an hour later.
Wow. Mrs. Midge's world-famous chicken pie. Oh, it looks wonderful. It weighs 1¼ kilos.
That's right. Well done.
Oh, no, we're too late. Oh, no.
But you're just in time for some chicken pie.
Do you want some? Yes, please. Oh,
Okay, so that's quite a few points here that I like to point out. The first thing first is the let's just take a look at your, I cannot expand this any bigger. Okay, just a few points at the vocabulary first. I thought it was easy, but then I just sort of realized that there may be some words that you don't know. Okay, so the first one, at frame 2, right, at the restaurant, Meg went in there and she say, excuse me. Okay, you must remember that every time that you like to attract the stranger's attention, you start the sentences with excuse me. It's very polite form of verb that to speak to the stranger. Okay, and then she say, she asking questions. And then frame 4 in the kitchen, just look in your book. Okay, she say, here's the recipe. What is recipe?
Oh, it's the paper. It has the ingredient.
Yeah, it has the ingredients. So the recipes, it's a set of instructions that telling you how to cook the particular dish, right? And this one, it's a recipe for the chicken pie, right? And the ingredients is the it's the food substance that combined it to make that particularly food, right? So the incredible team gets to help Mrs. Mitches to make pie. And did they get the answers?
Yes.
So how much does a chicken pie weigh?
1.25 kilogram.
Remember the word a quarter? What did I say about a quarter? Last time I taught you about the clock, right? Remember?
Yes.
A quarter means 1/4, right? A quarter means 1/4. So this one is not 15 minutes anymore, right? So 1 kilo equal 1,000 grams, right? Remember? So 1.25 kilos, so 1/4 is 1.25 kilogram. Do you understand? That's the meaning of the quarter that I've been trying to tell you. Okay. So the incredible team won again. And the Red Wolves team's always too late, right? Okay. So do you understand the story? Yes?
Yay!
Okay. Okay. Now let's help me do this a little. Do you still remember countables and uncountable nouns?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So here is the apples is here, right? Countable nouns plural. And yogurt, it's uncountable nouns. What about biscuit? Is it countable or uncountable? Biscuit.
Countable.
Right, biscuit is countable and it is singular. Right. What about bottles?
The countable noun and plural.
Countable nouns, plural, right? Bread, can you count bread?
Uncountable noun.
Good. Can.
Countable noun singular.
Good. Cheese.
Uncountable noun.
Good. Children.
Countable noun plural.
Good. Coffee.
Uncountable noun.
Uncountable nouns, right? Egg.
Egg is countable noun and singular.
Feet.
It countable noun and it plural.
Good. Knife.
It's countable noun and singular.
Yes. What about meat?
Meat is uncountable noun.
Right, you cannot count meat. What about mice?
Oh, it countable noun and plural.
Very good. One mouse, two mice, right? Very good. You still remember. Poster.
Countable noun and singular.
Countable noun, singular. Sandwiches.
It the countable noun and plural.
Good. Next one, table.
It countable noun and singular.
Right. And then tea.
She is uncountable noun.
These are all the words, the nouns that you have been through. And I just like to review it one more time just to make sure that you understand, because the next lesson we will study about too many and too much and how to use the sentence with it. Okay. So today I'd like to end the lesson here. Okay. Do you have any questions?
No.
No? Okay. I will see you tomorrow, right? I'll see you tomorrow. All right. See you tomorrow. Have a great day, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, teacher.